Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fully assemble Harder Steenbeck Ultra 2024. And to do this, let's start with the trigger. So as you can see, there's the carpus of the airbrush, and now we just need to take a trigger. It's a bit tricky, so try it multiple times. It should fit in with this ball right here inside that gap. Now when the trigger moves like this, it means that we've properly inserted it like that. Also, let's try to do it like that. Then we need to take a spring and place it like that. Okay. Then take the screw and screw the spring, and make sure to do it as hard as possible so that the trigger won't go on its own. I'm also gonna use this to do it properly. And now let's see if the trigger works. Yep, it works great. Then we can move to the nozzle. First we need to take this cover and place the nozzle inside. Then screw it into the front. Like this. Now next thing is a needle. We're gonna place it in the back and try to be careful right here not to damage it. Like so. Okay. Then screw in the needle. Now it's the time to place this, I'm not sure how to call it, the screw that allows you to control your air pressure, or actually it limits your trigger. So it should go in like that. Then we can take the back plate and screw it in, take the nozzle cap and place it in. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.